Hello and welcome everyone. Is my voice clear and audible?
It's clear and audible.
Okay, thank you so much, sister. So we'll begin with a short meditation. Sit back comfortably. Withdraw your attention from the outside world and bring it to yourself. In the infinity of life, where I am, all is perfect, whole, and complete. I see any resistance patterns within me only as something else to release. They have no power over me. I am the power in my bone. I flow with the changes taking place in my life as best I can. I approve of myself and the way I am changing. I am doing the best I can each day gets easier. I rejoice that I am in the rhythm and flow of my ever changing life. Today is a wonderful day. I choose to make it so. All is well in my world. Okay, thank you so much. So we'll begin with today's reading. I'll just share the screen with you. Okay. So today we're going to start with chapter 7, How to Change. Okay. I cross bridges with joy and with ease. I love how to's. All the theory in the world is useless unless we know how to apply it and make a change. See, this is very important line. जो भी हम जो भी हम रीड करते हैं या जो भी हम सीखते हैं उसको कैसे अप्लाई करना है, हाउ टू मेक अ चेंज, दैट इज व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. नहीं तो हम कुछ भी पढ़ते रहे, जब तक हम उसको अप्लाई नहीं करेंगे तब तक हम एक्सपीरियंस नहीं कर पाएंगे कि व्हाट डिफरेंस इज इट मेकिंग. सो आई थिंक दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन, हाउ टू अप्लाई एंड मेक अ चेंज, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. I have always been a very pragmatic, practical person with a great need to know how to do things. The principle we will be working with at this time are nurturing the willingness to let go. So, the principles we will be working with are nurturing the willingness to let go, controlling the mind, and learning how forgiveness of self and others releases us. So very important ये तीनों फैक्टर्स, एक तो नर्चरिंग द विलिंगनेस टू लेट गो, जो जब हमारे अंदर एक लेटिंग गो की एक फीलिंग आती है तो उसको कैसे हम नर्चर करें, हाउ टू वर्क ऑन इट. So that is one point. Controlling the mind, which is very important. Mind में जो thoughts आते हैं positive नेगेटिव, जो नेगेटिविटी ज्यादा होती है उसको कैसे कंट्रोल करना है, कैसे चेक एंड चेंज करना है. एंड लर्निंग हाउ forgiveness ऑफ सेल्फ एंड अदर्स रिलीजेस अस, ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. टू forgive yourself for the mistakes you've made, not going in guilt अपने आप के साथ एंड ऑल्सो विद अदर्स. अगर किसी ने आपके साथ कुछ किया है उसको लेट गो करना, फॉरगिव करना, हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज दैट. Okay, releasing the need. Sometimes when we try to release a pattern, the whole situation seems to get worse for a while. This is not a bad thing. It is a sign that the situation is beginning to move. Our affirmations are working and we need to keep going. जब हम कुछ रिलीज करते हैं, अपने आप पे ही वर्क करना शुरू करते हैं, तो इट टेक्स टाइम. समटाइम्स वो काफ़ी वर्सन अप हो जाती है हमारे आसपास सिचुएशंस या चीज़ें. बट इट दैट ओनली शोज कि इट इज़ बिगनिंग टू मेक अ चेंज. हमारे इंटरनली जब चेंज होगा तो थोड़ा सा अफेक्ट करेगा हमें, बट वी नीड टू कीप गोइंग, गिव अप नहीं करना है. Examples: we are working on increasing prosperity and we lose our wallet. तो ये सब practical examples, outside की जो चीज़ें हैं उसके बारे में author बता रहे हैं. We are working on improving our relationships and we have a fight. We are working on becoming healthy and we catch a cold. We are working on expressing our creative talents and abilities, and we get fired. Sometimes the problem moves in a different direction, and we begin to see and understand more. For example, let's assume you are trying to give up smoking and you are saying, I'm willing to release the need for cigarettes. As you continue to do this, you notice your relationships becoming more uncomfortable. Don't despair. This is a sign of the process working. You might ask yourself a series of questions like, am I willing to give up uncomfortable relationships? Were my cigarettes creating a smoke screen so I wouldn't see how uncomfortable these relationships are? Why am I creating these relationships? You notice the cigarettes are only a symptom and not a cause. Now you are developing insight and understanding that will set you free. You begin to say, I am willing to release the need for uncomfortable relationships. Then you notice the reason you're so uncomfortable is that other people always seem to be criticizing you. Being aware that we always create all of our experiences, you now begin to say, I am willing to release the need to be criticized. You then think about criticism and you realize that as a child, you received a lot of criticism. That little kid inside of you only feels at home when it is being criticized. Your way of hiding from this had been to create a smoke screen. Perhaps you see the next step as perhaps you see the next step as affirming, I am willing to forgive. ये एक एक के बाद एक जो हमारे अंदर जो थॉट्स आना शुरू हो जाते हैं कि पहले हम सोचते हैं कि ये रिलेशनशिप्स अनकंफर्टेबल है, फिर हम रियलाइज करते हैं व्हाई आर दे अनकंफर्टेबल, बिकॉज योर यू सी पीपल आर ऑलवेज क्रिटिसाइजिंग यू। फिर हम ये अफर्म करते हैं कि आई एम विलिंग टू रिलीज द नीड टू बी क्रिटिसाइज्ड। तो ऐसे करके ना ऑथर हमें बता रहा है कि what goes on in our mind. So, as you continue to do your affirmations, you may find that cigarettes no longer attract you, and the people in your life no longer criticize you. Then you know you have released your need. This usually takes a little while to work out. If you're gently persistent and are willing to give yourself a few quiet moments each day to reflect on your process of change, you will get the answer. The intelligence within you is the same intelligence that created this entire planet. Trust your inner guidance to reveal to you whatever it is you need to know. तो एक ये बहुत ही डिफरेंट वे ऑथर ने हमें बताया है कि हमें वी हैव टू हैव द विलिंगनेस टू रिलीज जैसे ऑथर ने कहा कि व्हेन यू से आई एम विलिंग टू रिलीज द नीड टू बी क्रिटिसाइज्ड, तो सम वे और द अदर इट इज आवर ओन मैनिफेस्टेशन जो हमारे पास आता है। तो जब हम ये अपने अंदर अफर्म करते हैं जो भी नेगेटिविटी के लिए हम कहते हैं आई एम विलिंग टू रिलीज इट, आई एम विलिंग टू लेट गो, वी रियलाइज दैट आफ्टर सम टाइम इट स्टार्ट्स यू नो it this change starts happening because we are getting rid of the need, the need or the willingness. Okay. Exercise releasing the need. In a workshop situation, I would have you to I would have you do this exercise with a partner. However, you can do it equally as well using a mirror, a big one if possible. Think for a moment about something in your life you want to change. Go to the mirror and look into your eyes and say out loud, I now realize that I have created this condition and I am now willing to release the pattern in my consciousness that is responsible for this condition. Say it several times with feeling. Wow. तो ये एक बहुत डिफरेंट एक एक्सरसाइज ऑथर समझा रहे हैं कि whatever situation there is in your life that is bothering you, जो भी आपके माइंड आपके थॉट्स में घड़ी घड़ी आ रहा है, अगर किसी के साथ कोई कुछ रिलेशनशिप्स में इश्यूज हैं या जो भी है, so you go to the mirror and you say, I now realize that I have created this condition because it is all self created। जो भी आपकी थॉट्स हैं, जो भी नेगेटिविटी आपके अंदर है, it is all self created। So you realize this condition and I am now willing to release the pattern in my consciousness that is responsible for this condition। So we should all practice this exercise. If you were with a partner, I would have your partner tell you if he really thought you meant it। I would want you to convince your partner। तो ये जब हम बोलते it should be very convincing, not just for the sake of saying it। We need to deeply realize this and with full हमारी एक full belief के साथ हमें ये करना है। Ask yourself if you really mean it। Convince yourself in the mirror that this time you are ready to step out of the bondage of the past। At this point, many people get scared because they don't know how to do this releasing. They are afraid to commit themselves until they know all the answers. It's only more resistance. जस्ट पास थ्रू इट। जब हम हीलिंग जर्नी पे भी आते हैं, हम कहीं ना कहीं सोचते हैं ये होगा या नहीं, क्या ये रिलेशनशिप कभी इम्प्रूव करेगा, नो ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस दैट कम ऑन। वही ऑथर कह रहे, इट इज ऑल जस्ट मोर रेजिस्टेंस। जस्ट लेट देम पास एंड जस्ट फुली विथ फुल बिलीफ आप मिरर के सामने जाके ये एक्सरसाइज प्रैक्टिस करिए। One of the great things that we do not have to know how. One of the great things is that we do not have to know how. Very important. मतलब हम सोचते हैं ना ये कैसे ठीक होगा, but we don't need to think कि ये कैसे ठीक होगा. We just need to believe कि ये ठीक हुआ ही पड़ा है. The relationship is improved or it is better, जैसे author ने कहा. I'm willing to release. That's the important point. All we need is to be willing. The universal intelligence or your subconscious mind will figure out the hows. Very important that we need to just be willing. We don't have to think कि how is it going to change that, वो सब छोड़ देना है. We just have to be willing. Every thought you think and every word you speak is being responded to. And the point of power is in the moment. Very important. Every thought you think and every word you speak is being responded to. मतलब जो भी हमारे थॉट्स आते हैं, नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव, उसका कहीं ना कहीं से रिस्पॉन्स आता है. अगर हमारे माइंड में नेगेटिव थॉट्स चल रहे हैं तो दैट विल ऑल्सो कम बैक टू अस इन सम फॉर्म और द अदर. जो भी नेगेटिविटी माइंड में है, दैट विल मैनिफेस्ट एक्सटर्नली. The thoughts you are thinking and the words you are declaring at this moment are creating your future. Very important. Your mind is a tool. You are much more than your mind. You may think your mind is running the show, but that is only because you have trained your mind to think in this way. Hmm. This is also important कि हम सोचते हैं कि whatever we are thinking, जो भी हमारे thoughts आ रहे हैं, that is what we actually are. बट ये तो ये एक अनकॉन्शियसली जो कहते हैं ना, ऑटोमेटिकली सबकॉन्शियस माइंड से जो इतने टाइम से स्टोर्ड है, ऑफ मेनी बर्थ्स, whatever has happened is just carrying forward, and वो ऑटोमेटिकली थॉट्स आ रहे हैं. So, but that is not what it is. We can rewire the brain. We can, build our own destiny by becoming more aware of our thoughts. हम क्या सोच रहे हैं, हमारे अंदर कैसे thoughts चल रहे हैं. You can also untrain and retrain this tool of yours. Your mind is a tool for you to use in any way you wish. So, at the moment, the mind is using us. Most of the time, the mind uses us. We are under the influence of the thoughts, that are going on in the mind. But it is time to start becoming aware that we have to use our mind. We can't be used by the mind. The way you now use your mind is only a habit, and any habits can be changed if we want to do so, or even if we only know it is possible to do so. Quiet the chatter of your mind for a moment and really think about this concept. Your mind is a tool you can choose to use any way you wish. The thoughts you choose to think create the experiences you have. If you believe that it is hard or difficult to change a habit or a thought, then your choice of this thought will make it true for you. अगर हम सोचें कि ये नेगेटिव थॉट्स तो जाते ही नहीं, ये तो बहुत मुश्किल है, So that thought is also making it difficult for us. If you would choose to think it is becoming easier for me to make changes, then your choice of this thought will make that true for you. Controlling the mind. There is an incredible power and intelligence within you, constantly responding to your thoughts and words. So, whatever we think or speak, uska response aa raha hai. The subconscious, the intelligence within us responds to whatever we think and whatever we speak. As you learn to control your mind by the conscious choice of thoughts, you align yourself with this power. Do not think your mind is in control. You are in control of your mind. You use your mind. You can stop thinking those old thoughts. Very important. The mind is not in control. We are the ones who have to control our mind. Whatever goes on in our mind, whatever thoughts, positive, negative, we are in control of that. We can choose, which thoughts are encouraging, are motivating, and which thoughts are actually जो हमें लो फील करा रही है, जो हमें नेगेटिविटी में लेके जा रही है, तो हम अपने माइंड को यूज कर सकते हैं. You can stop thinking those old thoughts. When your old thinking tries to come back and say, it's so hard to change, take mental control. Say to your mind, I now choose to believe it is becoming easier for me to make changes. You may have to have this conversation with your mind several times for it to acknowledge that you are in control and that what you say goes. Wow. तो जितनी बार negative thoughts आते हैं, we need to uh, you know, keep telling the mind that we are the ones who are in control. So basically, you have to treat the mind like a child. And you as the parent, the mind is like a naughty child. और हर बार कुछ वो नेगेटिविटी में जाता है, तो you have to जैसे छोटे बच्चे को जैसे समझाते हैं, वैसे ही माइंड को भी हमने इस तरह से समझाना है. The only thing you ever have any control of is your current thought. Your old thoughts are gone. There is nothing you can do about them except live out the experiences they caused. जो भी हमारी पास्ट में नेगेटिव थिंकिंग रही है, उसके वजह से जो भी हमने फेस किया है, जो हमने वो एक्सपीरियंसेस बाहर मैनिफेस्ट किए हैं, दैट इज ऑल गॉन. बट अभी वी हैव कंट्रोल ऑफ आवर करंट थॉट्स. अभी हम कैसे सोचते हैं. Your current thought, the one you are thinking right now, is totally under your control. Example, if you have a little child who has been allowed to stay up as late as he wishes for a long time, and then you make a decision that you now want this child to go to bed at 8 every night, what do you think the first night will be like? The child will rebel against this new rule and may kick and scream and do his best to stay out of bed. If you relent at this time, the child wins and you will try to control you forever. यहाँ पे child का example दिया है, तो even our mind is like that little child. जब वो एक एक हमारी जो एक नेगेटिव थिंकिंग की एक पैटर्न बन गया है, जब हम उसमें इंटरफियर करते हैं, एंड व्हेन वी वांट टू रीवायर इट, व्हेन वी वांट टू चेंज आवर थॉट्स, सो द माइंड रिबेल्स. It's just like that little child, and if we will give in to it, तो फिर वो वैसे ही चलता रहेगा. but we have to stay firm. However, if you calmly stick to your decision and firmly insist that this is the new bedtime, the rebellion will lessen. In 2 or 3 nights, the new routine will be established. It is the same thing with your mind. Of course, it will rebel at first. It does not want to be retrained, but you are in control. And if you stay focused and firm, in a very short time, the new way of thinking will be established. And you will feel so good to realize that you are not a helpless victim of your own thoughts, but rather a master of your own mind. वाओ कितने ब्यूटिफुली ऑथर ने यहाँ पे समझाया है कि कैसे whenever we get these negative thoughts और हम चेंज करने की कोशिश करते हैं तो माइंड कितना रिबेल करता है बिकॉज इट इज अकस्टम टू इट ना इट इज यूज टू इट अच्छा लगता है माइंड को उसी में रहना बट इफ वी इट रिक्वायर्स अ लॉट ऑफ perseverance, a lot of patience to rewire the brain. And once you do start realizing that you can control your thoughts, you are the master of your mind, so that makes you feel so good, जैसे author ने कहा, then you don't feel like a victim. अब वो victim वाली feeling नहीं आती. You know that you are not your thoughts. You are not this old negative thinking. You can change the thinking. Okay, exercise letting go. As you read this, take a deep breath, and as you exhale, allow the tension to leave your body. Let your scalp and your forehead and your face relax. Your head does not need to be tense in order for you to read. Let your tongue and your throat and your shoulders relax. You can hold a book with relaxed arms and hands. Do that now. Let your back and your abdomen and your pelvis relax. Let your breathing be at peace as you relax your legs and feet. Is there a big change in your body since you began the previous paragraph? Notice how much you hold on. If you are doing it with your body, you are doing it with your mind. In this relaxed, comfortable position, say to yourself, I am willing to let go. I release, I let go. I release all tension. I release all fear. I release all anger. I release all guilt. I release all sadness. I let go of all old limitations. I let go and I am at peace. I am at peace with myself. I am at peace with the process of life. I am safe. Go over this exercise 2 or 3 times. Feel the ease of letting go. Repeat it whenever you feel thoughts of difficulty coming up. It takes a little practice for the routine to become a part of you. When you put yourself into this peaceful state first, it becomes easy for your affirmations to take hold. You become open and receptive to them. There is no need to struggle or stress or strain. Just relax and think the appropriate thoughts. Yes, it is this easy. So ये कितना एक ब्यूटीफुल वे ऑथर ने बताया अपने आप को पहले अपने बॉडी को पूरा रिलैक्स करना है आराम से बैठना है रिलैक्स योर सेल्फ रिलैक्स योर फुल बॉडी एंड फिर अपने आप को ये सारे एफर्मेशंस देने हैं तो ऑथर ने कहा कि as soon as you feel that heaviness that you can do this 2 3 times to let go. Okay, Physical releasing. Sometimes we need to experience a physical letting go. Experiences and emotions can get locked in the body. Screaming in the car with all the windows rolled up can be very releasing if we have been stifling our verbal expression. Beating the bed or kicking pillows is a harmless way to release pent up anger, as is playing tennis or running. A while ago, I had a pain in my shoulder for a day or two. I tried to ignore it, but it wouldn't go away. Finally, I sat down and asked myself, what is happening here? What am I feeling? I realized it feels like burning. Burning, burning. That means anger. What are you angry about? तो ये जो फिजिकली जो पेन्स होते हैं हमारे बॉडी में दैट इज ऑल्सो समवेयर रिलेटेड टू आवर मेंटल हेल्थ। हम मेंटली क्या सोच रहे हैं। अब जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि ही रियलाइज्ड ही वाज एंग्री अबाउट समथिंग। I couldn't think of what I was angry about, so I said, well, let's see if we can find out. I put two large pillows on the bed and began to hit them with a lot of energy. After about 12 hits, I realized exactly what I was angry about. It was so clear. So I beat the pillows even harder and made some noise and released the emotions from my body. When I got through, I felt much better, and the next day my shoulder was fine. Okay, so I think we'll start this from tomorrow. I think we'll end here. Okay, thank you so much for joining. Would you like to share something from today's session?
Hello, sir. Thank you for the wonderful session.
Thank you so much. Thank you for joining. Your voice is
हाँ
a
जी।
bit slow. Voice थोड़ी slow आ रही है आपकी।
ओके, अभी ठीक है क्या?
हाँ जी, अभी परफेक्ट है, अभी परफेक्ट।
हाँ, मैं इस सेशन के लिए तो कल से ही वेट कर रही थी क्योंकि इट वाज सो इम्पोर्टेंट कि हाउ टू चेंज। कल हमने समझा था कि रेजिस्टेंस का जो नीड हमारे अंदर है उस नीड को रिलीज करना है, लेकिन कैसे करेंगे वो आज ऑथर ने इतने अच्छे से सब कुछ समझाया और बताया कि हमारा मन एक छोटे बच्चे के जैसे है। ये एग्जाम्पल मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा जिसमें ऑथर ने बोला कि अगर हम 8 बजे सोने के लिए किसी बच्चे को कहें तो वो बच्चा कैसे रिएक्ट करेगा, क्योंकि वो बच्चा ना आंखों के सामने आ जाता है कि वो रोएगा, वो छोड़ के जाएगा, और उसी समय अगर हम उस बच्चे का रोना देख के उसका बात मान लेंगे तो वो हर दिन रोएगा। लेकिन अगर हम
हम्म।
उसी समय लगाम लगा देंगे तो वैसे ही हमें अपने मन के साथ करना है। एक बार मैं ऐसे ही एक क्लास कर रही थी, उसमें भी यही था कि हम सोचते कि मन इतना शोर मचा रहा है तो चलो मन का मान लेते हैं। तो अगर वहां पे मन का एक बार मान लिया ना तो वो हर वक्त ही शोर मचाएगा। तो इसलिए हमें एक बार तकलीफ तो होगी, थोड़ी रेजिस्ट करेगा मन बहुत, लेकिन उसी टाइम पे उसका नहीं मानना है। तो छोटा छोटा करना है, छोटी छोटी चीजें, ताकि वो फिर हैबिट बन जाए तो हम बड़ी बड़ी चीजों को भी चेंज कर पाएंगे। तो ये
राइट।
बहुत अच्छा।
हाँ
हाँ
जी।
जी सिस।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, नहीं आप बताइए।
जी मैं यही कह रही थी कि हम भी ये वाला एक्सरसाइज फिर आज करेंगे जो ऑथर ने कहा ना, गो ओवर दिस एक्सरसाइज 2 or 3 times। ये वाला जो पैराग्राफ, आई एम विलिंग टू लेट गो, आई रिलीज, आई लेट गो, आई रिलीज ऑल टेंशन, आई रिलीज ऑल फियर। तो इसको हम भी कोई पेपर में भी लिख सकते हैं, क्योंकि बुक शायद हम ना भी खोलें वापस 24 घंटे के लिए। तो एक पेपर में लिख के फिर इस पैराग्राफ को हम 2-3 बार रीड कर सकते हैं खुद के लिए।
हाँ सही बात है, ये बहुत अच्छा लिखा ऑथर ने। आई रिलीज, आई लेट गो, जो एंड में अभी ऑथर ने बताया था। और इससे पहले भी जो एक था वो भी बहुत अच्छा ऑथर ने बताया था, द विलिंगनेस टू लेट गो।
राइट, हाँ।
जो एक और एक्सरसाइज दी थी ना ऑथर ने, हम वो भी कर सकते हैं, रिलीजिंग द नीड।
हाँ, राइट राइट, आई नाउ
Mirror,
रियलाइज दैट।
looking in the mirror and then saying,
हाँ,
I release whatever I have created. I'm willing to release the pattern. ये भी बहुत अच्छा था।
ये भी बहुत अच्छा है, राइट राइट।
हाँ जी,
ये भी
हाँ
बहुत,
जी।
उसको भी
हाँ
लिख
जी।
सकते हैं अलग टाइम में, क्योंकि मन को ना नया नया चीज अच्छा लगता है। तो
हाँ,
अगर चीजें हैं तो हम दोनों भी प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे, दो दो बार।
हाँ
तो
जी।
नया भी। हाँ जी। ओके। सो बहुत।
थैंक यू सो मच।
यस, हाँ जी। थैंक यू टू यू।
थैंक यू।